There was a time they requested for expression of interest to embrace Fadama SEEFOR project in this community. Then I was the Secretary General of the community. We now applied. I wrote the expression of interest, everything. We did it, and Fadama came on sensitization, and various groups who signified interest were now captured. There was a capacity building training organized. There was also an advisory service activity training organized for us. The advisory service activities is to formally train the farmers so that they will be able to manage their enterprises without crisis, with the nitty-gritty of whatever aspect of farming you are going into. So when we went into broiler meat production, it was successful. But if we are to grow, if we are to progress, we need to do something worthwhile that will endure. So this farm is self-sustaining. Self-sustaining in the sense that we are able to sell, we are able to recover money, we are able to feed the birds, we are also able to make marginal profit.